Folks, don't let anybody tell you that travel is broadening. If I don't eat pretty soon, I'll be the skinniest stowaway you ever saw. The captain's dinner.
Here's your dinner, Captain, sir.
Oh, hi.
You ate my T-bone steak.
Oh, was that yours? Well, it was too rare.
Get him!
Aha!
Now walk the plank, you swab!
Oh, well.
Get going!
I'm sick of coconuts. Everyday coconuts. Yeah. Coconut stew, coconut pudding, coconut casserole, fried, boiled, fricasseed. Oh, if only I could have a chicken or guinea hen.
Oh, hello there. I'm from U.S. of A. Woody Woodpecker's the name. Nice place you got here. Oh, man, I tell you, I've been traveling for weeks, and it sure is nice to see a friendly face. Boy, I'm hungry. What are you having for dinner?
You, with relish.
Whoa! This guy wants to eat me.
Now I'm mad. I'll chop the tree down. Aha! I'm going to have woodpecker stew for dinner. When he gets to the center of my crosshair sight, I'll let him have it. Uh-oh, here he comes. How did he do that? I'll get him this time. Hold still, you dumb woodpecker! Meat on the table. Watch him fall for the old coconuts in the bag trick.
What you gonna do, Dudley?
I'll tell you what I'm going to do. You go stand there where X marks the spot.
I don't see any X.
Oh? Here, hold this rope. What a dumb woodpecker. Now you go over there.
Okie dokie. Right here?
Yes.
Peep show. 25 charming beauties. They shimmy and they shake. Action and thrills. Very interesting.
Here's my dinner. To cook a bird, you must first remove the feathers.
Oh, ouch. Oh, oh, help. Oh, cut that out. Oh, help. Oh, no. Ouch. Oh, no, ouch. Oh, no. Help.
That's a lot of feathers.
Oh.
That bird must be all plucked by now. Ow! That's smart.
Simmer down, Sam. Let's make a deal. Suppose I cook you a chicken dinner.
Oh, boy. Could you do that?
Just leave it to me.
I can hardly wait.
I almost believe it myself. I'll get the wine.
Yum, yum. It's a coconut!